I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down.
Hello, today is Wednesday, January 5th, 2011. Welcome to Tampa Bay Real Estate and Mortgage Update. My name is Ron Morris.
And I'm Delynn Gaston, and yes, welcome to 2011. Yay!
Ouch.
I, for one, am really glad that
Yes.
2010 is gone.
Behind us.
And you know what? 2011 is going to be a fantastic year. I just know it. I feel it inside. This is going to be a great, great year. Now, before you go and say, like, you know, I'm so optimistic I make you want to puke, ask me why. Ask me why I think it's going to be a great year.
Why is this year going to be a great year?
Because this is the year, I'm predicting, this is the year 2011 that all of the flippin' banks are going to get on the same flippin' page when it comes to short sales and foreclosures and everything
When Delynn wakes up from her fantasy
modifications,
world,
you
we'll
know.
continue with the program. In the meantime, here's the comic of the week. You gotta love zits. And that's my house. My son's the drummer, so where do they practice? At the drummer's house. So
I would move. I don't know.
we like it, but let's move on
kidding,
to
Rio.
the show today. We're talking about recent changes in the industry. Effective January 1, actually,
Right.
there was a new disclosure that just came out, the credit disclosure, if you want to kind of get into
Credit
it
score
a little bit.
disclosure, right. We've always had to have the borrower sign a credit score disclosure, which creates a lot of questions. It has their score and it has the reason codes. This
Which
form is
nobody
replacing
understood. Right.
the current credit score disclosure, and it's definitely a lot more. It's a 3-page form. Normally we don't like longer forms, but in this case we do. It's a 3-page form. It gives them not only their credit score, but it gives them some interesting things about their credit score as well. In addition to the 4 reason codes as to why it came in, where it came in, it gives them where they rank nationally on a nationwide basis, you know, where they fit into the rest of the
Correct.
country.
And it also gives them some information as far as if there are issues on it, who to contact.
Right.
There's an email address, a website, and a phone number so they can contact
last
the
page.
necessary agency to either dispute or try to correct some information as well. And I think we have a link on.
And to get a free credit report,
Right.
free credit report, not the freecreditreport.com, but annualcreditreport.com is what gets them their free credit report. And it gives them that information on here.
And see the link. If you want to get a little bit more in depth on it, just see the link.
Right.
It's a sample one, but it should clearly answer some questions for anybody out
Right,
there on
or
that.
shoot us an email and we're happy to send you the form as well.
And we're going to continue to bring you more different changes over the next few weeks as well. This is one that actually we just got an email this morning about it.
And this
so
one
we want
starts
to share
first.
this with everybody, exactly.
And now for something completely different.
You know, I was reading an article recently about the top 10 worst places in the country to retire. Obviously, a lot of them are in the Northeast, and a lot of people from down here are from up north originally. So if you're from up north originally and still have some connections up there, it wouldn't hurt to maybe put an ad out and try and capture some of that business of the people who are retiring down here.
And speaking of people retiring, we touched base, I guess about a month and a half ago about the reverse mortgage purchase product, which
Great
has been
product.
revamped
Right.
about a year and a half ago. And in a nutshell, if you're 62 or older, for the realtors listening out there, if you have clientele that are 62 and older, if they put 45% down instead of paying 100% cash for the property,
Right.
no mortgage payment.
And they still have money in the bank.
Exactly. So
It's a
just
great
wanted to kind of
product.
throw that out
Right.
there. There are some changes coming up on the reverse
On that
mortgage
program,
product
right.
coming up actually right about now. We'll touch base on that in the next show or two.
Right.
Just wanted to throw that quick reminder out there.
Right.
Because really it's all about education for us.
That's what
The
we want to
more-
try and do.
Right. The more we educate the buyers, the realtors, the title companies, the appraisers, everybody involved, the
All of us.
easier and smoother the
whole
transaction's
transaction
going to
goes.
go. So that's kind of what we're
And we all
what
get
we're
paid a
about.
lot faster, right?
Exactly.
On to our movie challenge. Before we get on to the new one, I wanted to say congratulations, of course, to
Jennifer, I think.
Jennifer. I knew it was going to be an easy one. I said it was going to be an easy one, and we got so
Tons
many. We
of
got
emails on
swamped
that,
with
right,
emails
right.
on that one, who correctly identified Will Ferrell from Elf, of course, which I'm sure everyone saw that movie like, I don't know, 100 times over the last 2 weeks.
I saw it a couple times.
Yeah,
That's good.
it's a
Good
great movie, though. You could watch that over and over again. Anyway, so for this week, here is this week's movie challenge.
Put me in the game, coach. I get a touchdown fourth quarter.
All right, snap out of it, Chuck.
Another great movie.
They're all good
I
movies.
know I say that all the time, but anyway, the first person who emails us with the answer to that movie challenge wins 2 free movie tickets. So hurry up and get them in.
Blog down below, email us, let us know the answer to that, and we'll get you 2 free movie tickets.
Absolutely.
And we want to take some time just for a minute to thank our sponsors. We have Danny at Pillar to Post.
Thank you,
We have
Danny.
2 Kathys.
Kathy White from McFarland Gould,
Gould.
and Kathy from Tea and
Tea and
Spice, a
Spice.
great place at the Sponge Docks.
And
Went and
Steve.
visited her over the Christmas holidays. And Steve Marciano from Jomar Insurance. Please check out these people, visit their websites. They're great people.
There's one other one we have.
Tampa Bay Multimedia, please visit them. They are TBMM Networks. They're up top here, and they can help you with all of your video needs. Also, we have our video link on this side, which has a lot of 1 to 2 minute videos about first-time home buyers,
right.
and different things that people need to know, first-time home buyer or not, things that are good to know when you're getting a mortgage.
Direct your buyers there. It answers a lot of their questions.
A lot of questions.
Specifically first-time home buyers, but pretty much buyers in general.
We've had some great feedback about that,
Right,
so, and we appreciate your information on that as well. Blog is down below, like we said. Other than that, thanks for watching our show. We appreciate all of the support and all of the opportunity to come in and visit
And
you
don't
each
forget
week.
to forward Facebook, Twitter, that
Right.
social network stuff that I know nothing about.
But we're on all of them.
And on that note, we are.
Moving forward.
See everybody next week.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Yeah, you never know when something funny is going to happen on this show.
Did something funny happen?
Yeah.
You'd never know it.
I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.